In this video, I'll show you how to repost story on Instagram if tagged. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone device. Tap the heart icon at the top right corner to open your notifications, or you can do it from Instagram DMs. Look for a notification that says you've been mentioned or tagged in a story, then tap on it. When the story opens up, you can find the Add to your story at the bottom of the screen button. Make sure any edits you want, then like editing, stickers, text, or filters. Then choose to share it with everyone or only your close friend list. Now finally tap share to repost it on your own story. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.